Yeah, everybody turkey talking. Yeah, it's the first of spring, it's that time of year. We start checking the fields and we pack our gear. Start getting just a little more green on the trees. Yeah, we get that pattern tight, new choke just right. Thinking about daylight, can't sleep a wink at night. All your buddies start calling and do a little turkey talking. Day starts breaking and I hear him cut loose. Won't be long till he's off the roost. Slate call, hit him with a little tree up. He cuts me off and lets out yet a little turkey talking.